Hello, and welcome to ShopSurvey, the easy-to-use survey builder crafted specifically for Shopify merchants. Developed by Shopify experts, ShopSurvey empowers you to create engaging surveys that help you uncover your customers' needs, preferences, and pain points. Additionally, our Shopify app enables you to use respondents' answers to develop laser-focused customer segments, taking your email marketing to the next level with targeted and personalized campaigns. To show you just how easy it is to use ShopSurvey, let's dive in and create a survey for our snowboard shop, Snowrider Snowboards. Our goal for this survey will be to capture new email addresses and segment them based on snowboarding skill level and whether they prefer unique snowboard designs or affordability. This will make it easier for us to optimize our marketing efforts by focusing on targeting the right customers with the right message, thereby increasing our conversion rate. So let's dive in by opening up ShopSurvey and starting with a new survey. The first step is to give our survey a name and choose our target audience. The target audience option specifies where our survey will be displayed. Because we want to collect responses from our website visitors, we'll use the website widget targeting option. Now we can begin adding questions to our survey. ShopSurvey provides over 20 different question types, from short text, multiple choice, ranking, opinion scale, and more. Let's add an email question to collect email addresses from our website visitors. Now let's add a multiple choice question to gauge our respondents' snowboarding skill level. Finally, let's get our respondents to rank several factors from most important to least. Now, using question logic, we can configure custom rules based on the respondents' answers. This is where the power of ShopSurvey truly shines. We'll first create a rule to target people who have several years of experience snowboarding and who rank custom artwork and board designs, performance, and durability in their top 3 choices. We'll tag these respondents as hardcore snowboarders. They care for quality above everything else and will be a good audience to announce new snowboard drops and artist partnerships to. Next, we'll create a rule for more inexperienced snowboarders who place affordability in their top 2 choices. We'll call them casual snowboarders. These shoppers may be seasonal snowboarders or may just be trying out snowboarding as a hobby and looking for a cheap way to gear up. This segment will likely convert better with discounts, promotions, and end-of-season clearance sales. Now we can simply customize the theme for our survey, either going with the default ShopSurvey purple or choosing one of our themes we customized earlier. Then, we can edit the headline and sub-headline copy, as well as enter a discount code to give respondents after they successfully complete the survey. Just one more step of specifying the widget display rules. In this case, we'll run our survey on every page of our website and on every visit. And since this is an ongoing segmentation survey, we'll keep it running indefinitely. Now we just need to review our survey, hit publish, and we can see our survey is now published to our Shopify store. And as you can see, ShopSurvey provides an easy and effective way to publish surveys, collect responses, and segment your Shopify customers to optimize your marketing efforts. I hope this demo has given you a glimpse into the power of ShopSurvey, and we're really excited to be a part of your brand's Shopify journey. Be sure to install ShopSurvey from the Shopify App Store and unlock serious growth for your Shopify business.